Okay, hello traders and welcome to Market Blues. It's Stu Nopan here, founder of Master the Markets, Elite Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So today's topic is going to be on why are you trading? As you know, this series of Market Blues video is all about keeping your mind at peak performance level so that you can achieve that consistent performance in trading. So let's take a look at today's topic then, which is why are you into trading? Okay. So let's see now. Let me just hide this off so they can clearly see this. And let me just annotate in here. And then we'll also look at the markets in a very short while as well. Okay, right. So why are you into trading? Okay. Or shall we say, why are you still trading? Okay, why are you trading? What's the reason? So the first thing you need to look at in terms of your why, let's break it down into three important points, okay? And the three important points would be, the first point being, what would happen if you do not trade? What would happen if you do not trade? In other words, what are the pain reasons, okay? What will happen if you do not trade? So for example, one of the reasons could be that you'll be stuck to a 9 to 5 job for the rest of your life and you'll be exchanging time for money, or you will not have enough time to spend with your family and children, or it might be that you don't have that supplementary cash flow to take them on extra comfortable or luxurious holidays. So that could be the pain reasons. Okay, so that's the first thing you need to do. Now, as I just remembered as well, anything that is pertaining to our strategies or any other questions that you may have relating to trading, and you feel like talking to us or talking to a trader coach of ours, you can always feel free to book a coaching session with us. Okay. And in the coaching session, we give lots of really good value. So we will be taking a trader personality test with us to find the strategies that really fit your personality rather than chasing strategy after strategy. You'll also gain a free video course in relation to how you score in the personality test so that it's fitting you. And then finally, you'll also trade live with one of our trader coaches and learn strategies that take 15 minutes a day, or in other words, end of day strategies. Okay. So you can go ahead and click on here on the link below. You get you to this page and you can book your one-to-one session and you will be taken to a calendar and you can then choose your date and your time. All right. So that is on this one here on the one-to-one session. And also, you can always remember to also hit the subscribe button as well so that you get notifications whenever we put our videos on forward and live. All right. Okay, good. So that's to do with that. Now, coming back into our topic on why are you trading? So the first things is all the pain reasons, right? And then I gave you the examples on why, what will happen if you do not trade. That will be the pain reasons, okay? The pain. It's like saying, what happens if you do not take that flight to that holiday? What will happen? You will firstly, you lose your money that you paid for the flight. Second is that you lose your commitment to all those people that you made on the other side. If you did make some commitment with your family and your friends to meet them on the other side. And also, the other thing might be that, you will not get that well-deserved holiday where you can relax, so then you just have to go on with the churn and the grind. So list down all the pain reasons, okay, of what will happen if you do not trade and make it work. Second is you look at the pleasure reasons. What will happen if you do trade? What will happen if you make your trading work? What are the three top pleasure reasons? What will happen? So with that supplementary cash flow, you'll be able to take maybe extra holidays or make your holidays even more luxurious for your kids, or save for them more, or you can invest in further things that will make even your money work harder, so that gives them a better private education as well for your children, better education. So it could be loads and loads of things on why you want to trade. So this is very important, as I'll come to in a minute, to write down all this pain and this pleasure reasons. Okay, another thing is, you can buy your extra accessories that you always wanted. So what is it? What are all the pleasurable reasons? Okay, write it all down. Sometimes to keep your mind focused, you can ask it always like, oh, if there's one thing that would change in my life this year, just because I make my trading work, what would that be? Okay, would it be that extra down payment for that house, or would it be extra deposit for that car that you want? What would that be? Okay, so ask yourself that. And then finally, the third thing is after you've written your pain and your pleasure reasons, ask yourself, what is the higher purpose for which you started trading? What is the higher purpose? A higher purpose, as explained in our previous video in Market Blues, it is not just something that pertains to you. It's not just about, just earning more money. What are you going to do with that money? How is it going to impact not only you, but the wider community? Not only maybe your family or maybe further people in your community. What's the higher purpose that you're working towards for? Is it another additional orphanage that you are supporting? Is that another 100, 200 starving children that you are also earning money for, that you can support them and give them that food that will stop them from starving to death? What is that higher purpose? And if you're unsure of this, go and look back at our Market Blues video, which is called Higher Purpose, and we've broken it down to find out what is your true higher purpose as well. Okay, so just a very quick recap on this. So why are you trading? So list it down into your pain reasons, pleasure reasons, finally your higher purpose for which you're trading for. Okay, remember that the entire world, actually, to be honest, is driven by these two things. Either they are running away from sorrow, pain, or they're running towards pleasure. Okay, so that is what we are looking for you to also understand in this context of trading. And why are you trading? What are the pain and pleasure reasons, and what is your higher purpose? Okay, good. So I think that's pretty much that on me. So do the homework, reflect on your personal um, reasons for trading. So for today, then we can then now move on to the market update for the start of the week. Let's take a look, very quick look on that. So let's see. Right. So dollar Swiss over here, as you can see, still on a very strong downward move at the moment today. So the dollar is still weakening. So it just confirmed its high over there. So it's a strong trend. So we are actually taking it further down because open equity is to the downside. Dollar yen, on the other hand, as you can see, still has confirmed its bottom already over here. I would still say open equity to the upside, even though it is market structure 3, which has taken out this low over here. So we'll wait and see. If it does take out this high, then more continue open equity to the upside. But if it does confirm its top, then more open equity to the bottom. Okay. GBP USD, on the other hand, as you can see over here, is continuing more to the upside. If it does confirm its bottom, open equity to the upside. If it doesn't, I would first look for the low to be broken to the downside over there. Euro dollar, on the other hand, open equity is still to the upside over here. However, there's been a long delay. If it does confirm, in fact, if it does confirm its top, because it's confirmed its bottom here, but if it does take out this high over here, I would say more upside. And first level to look at is this high, which we have placed a position in the elite room as well. But then if it continues more strong to the upside, takes out this high over here, then I would say more buying pressure towards the upside and sustaining its bottom. More open equity to the upside if it does do that. If it doesn't, and if it does take out this low and somehow confirms its high, then I would say more open equity to the downside. Aussie dollar, on the other hand, has confirmed its top. So if it were to continue its open equity, first level to break is this level on here. Next, GBP yen, I'll say open equity diminishing to the upside. If it does take out this level here, I would say more chances of it confirming its top and more open equity to the downside. Other than that, if you want to ride this long, tighter trails. Euro yen, on the other hand, as you can see over here, still more open equity, I would say, to the downside. This is diminishing to the upside, tighter trails on the low. Coffee, on the other hand, top has been confirmed, but still strong uptrend. But if it does take out this low, more open equity to the bottom. If it does take out this high and confirm, then I would say look out for more sustained buying pressure. Dow Jones, on the other hand, still remaining strong at 35,000, near the 34,000 at the moment. Top just got confirmed. If this level goes taken out, I would say more open equity to the downside. But if it does confirm its bottom, then more open equity to the upside. Okay. Silver, on the other hand, as you can see, more strength. It's now a compression bar, this one, which just took out the high. And I would say more open equity to the upside over here. On the other hand, GBP, we've looked at it, dollar index, dollar on overall on a basket of currencies, still weakness to the downside. Top has been confirmed. Open equity is diminishing. I would say if you're still riding it short, more tighter stops as of now, as open equity is diminishing to the bottom. Okay. All right, I guess that's pretty much that from me in terms of our topic and in terms of our market update for today. Right, so in terms of the topic that we looked at, why are you trading? So reflect on those questions, on your pain reasons, your pleasure reasons, and what is your higher purpose. That's all from us for today. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.